The third and final SADC technical assessment team is currently visiting Zimbabwe from July 17 to July 23, 2024 to evaluate firsthand the progress made in preparation for the 44th SADC Southern African Development Community Summit scheduled to take place from August 8 to August 18. Aiwa murezi makusarapinda masvika kudanyuka panapa tiona kuti aiwa SADC pakutaura kwatiri kuita kudaiso irimo munyika yeZimbabwe vachiona preparedness weZimbabwe kuupload the upcoming SADC summit. Sarapinda masvika kudanyuka norobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Chipinda mpindula munyuka mchinzi. In a statement released on Wednesday, July 17, the Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Trade spokesperson Michael Chiwoneso Makura explained that during this visit, the assessment mission engaged with the various technical committees responsible for overseeing the summit preparations. This will allow the team to finalize all necessary logistical and other relevant planning details ahead of the high-profile regional event, said Makura. Ndomashika tukuona kuti aiwa takwatiri kuita kudaiso SADC iri munyika yeZimbabwe vachiona kuti aiwa Zimbabwe yava prepared here kuupload the upcoming SADC summit iri kuitika muna August vachiti aiwa vachiri kuinvestigata vanozobuda munyika yeZimbabwe musi wa 24 but vakapinda musi wa 17 on Wednesday. Tudze mavhungudo enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechiitiko ichi pena comment section medu, so subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.